So today we will be installing a Nexia bridge. When you buy a Nexia bridge, the box will contain the following items: the Nexia bridge, a power adapter, a 9-volt battery, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. We proceed by creating a Nexia account by going to the website mynexia.com. We click on Sign Up Now. We fill out the provided form consisting of your contact info, your home, and your login info. We select the Nexia home bridge and click on Continue. We click on Continue. We click on Continue. The instructions indicate that the Nexia home bridge should not be plugged in at this point in time, and that we should open the battery compartment door to locate the MAC ID on the yellow label. We enter the 12-digit MAC ID of our Nexia home bridge in the required field. We click on Continue. We now connect our Nexia bridge via an Ethernet cable to our internet router and power up our Nexia bridge. We insert the 9-volt battery into the Nexia bridge as follows. The Nexia bridge will blink blue. We use the Ethernet cable to connect the Nexia bridge with our internet router. And we plug the power adapter into the Nexia bridge and a power socket. The Nexia bridge will now show a steady blue. After the Nexia bridge has gone through an update process, we are shown a success message indicating that we have successfully registered our Nexia bridge. We click on Continue. We proceed by clicking on Add Devices. When we select the category, we see that Nexia requires you to upgrade your subscription if you want to connect any devices to the Nexia bridge. We click on Upgrade. We are shown a subscription upgrade window indicating that if we want to access this feature, we have to upgrade our subscription plan to a Nexia Homebridge standard monthly plan, which costs $9.99 per month plus tax. We click on Accept. We proceed by filling out our credit card billing address details and click on Next. We fill out our credit card details and click on Update. When we now go to Add Devices, we are able to enroll all devices to the Nexia bridge. We have hereby successfully installed and activated the Nexia bridge, and it is now ready to get paired with your various smart home devices.